try to reach you on the phone. I'd appreciate it if you wouldn't camp out on my lawn. So rip down your tent, roll up your bag and go home. Leave me alone. Caught me once today, but the answer is still the same. Hey, hey, I'm not doing anything with you. I wish you'd get it through your head. You won't get flowers from me till you're dead. Hey, hey, whoa, whoa, go away, go away. Someday Jill is gonna light a cigarette. Sister herself is gonna be alright, I'll bet. She's the best thing since sliced bread. I've never met one who can bring my health back from the dead. I've even asked my friend Chad and he agrees that she's the best thing since sliced bread. She'll make the pain feel like your house. She'll make an elephant feel like a mouse. Tossing all night in my bed, thinking about how she's the best thing since sliced bread. She were a monster out of running high, and if she were a cop, all the laws I'd abide. Can't live without her, I'd rather be dead. Yeah, I would, 'cause she's the best thing since sliced bread. She never was a shy girl. She acted innocent, but I was the wiser. She liked to sing little songs about love, about love. Whoa.